I live on the island, so when I tell you this address is a deal, I mean it. At 9535 East Maiden Court, the best seat in the house isn't inside, it's outside, by the pool, overlooking the lake. New appliances went in last year and the whole house was repiped. You show up and relax. This floor plan gives everyone room to spread out. Over 2,600 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, plus a flex room. When guests come down, they're comfortable. When they leave, you lock the door and the HOA handles the rest. You're a quick bike ride to the beach in Vero Disney. The Causeway Bridge is right there connecting you to the mainland. You get island living without isolation. You're on the island paying what other people pay when they're not. I'm Kathleen Pogany with the Reynolds team. Come see this gem before someone else moves in.